Hey there, welcome to the Sunchi one-bedroom beachfront butler suite here at the amazing Sandals Royal Curacao. The room code for this is B1, and this is a fantastic butler suite that comes with the amazing Butler Elite services, of which you'll find other videos on my channel. If we haven't had the pleasure to meet before, I'm Addison, founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. I welcome you today to this channel, Mr TraveLux. We're going to take an insider peek of this suite together, but before we do so, I want to encourage you to have a look in that description below. In that description, you'll find so much information that you don't want to miss. Things ranging from a beautiful digital brochure of this resort to other information about Sandals beaches that you definitely want to know, even if you've been to Sandals before. Now, if you're thinking to book that perfect trip to tropical paradise, you can definitely reach out to my team and I at hello@ReliantDestinations.com. So if you're thinking to book something, make sure to get in touch to hear about our complimentary concierge services and what my team and I can do for you. But for now, let's jump into this gorgeous suite tour together. Are you ready? Let's go. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Sunchi 1-bedroom beachfront butler suite, and I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Again, if my team and I can help make sure that you have the best deal and best service on this suite or any other at any Sandals or Beaches, make sure to get in touch. Again, you can do so at hello@reliantdestinations.com. It's been a pleasure having you by this channel today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for lots of more awesome Sandals and Beaches content. We hope to see you around, perhaps even in resort. Take care.